Chocolate?
No, coconut.
Just coconut. Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mmm, fucking lovely. Way belong. Absolutely got it. Are they crispy? Are they hard? Like, no, hot. Oh, just give me one. Yeah, okay. I thought these were going to be hard, like crispy, a bit crunchy. I need to stop here and try these. Throw the bit that I've eaten out and give this to somebody who will like it and somebody who's in need. And now I just need to find someone to give these coconut pancakes to.
Give me?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Oh, okay.
I had one. Okay?
Thank you.
That makes it worthwhile. Fucking paid £2 for that smile. It's the most value for money I've had while I've been here.